Hey, it's Paul from Paul's Wanderings, the channel for those that like to get out and explore their surroundings. The background may look a little bit different. It's definitely not the wilds of New Hampshire. Instead, I am in the wilds of the Big Apple, New York City. Gonna go out and explore Times Square in the snow. So let's go!
Lazy days indoors are great, but sometimes you just need an escape, right? That's why I love Paul's Wanderings. He brings the beautiful New Hampshire trails to us, but those amazing videos need fuel. By becoming a member, you help Paul upgrade his gear and cover gas so he can keep exploring and sharing those incredible journeys. And for only 99 cents a month, you get awesome perks. Loyalty badges, a custom emoji, priority replies to your comments, and early access to every new video. It's a tiny price to pay for endless adventure. Click join and support the Wanderings.
하리포터.
I was like pretty drunk after happy hour.
that's the way to prevent someone from sitting on the fire hydrant. Guess I won't be taking a break there. The snow is really coming down now, man. That's okay. Still fun. That was a fun walk through Times Square in the concrete jungle of New York City. I hope you liked it as much as I did. If you did, remember, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, remember to click on the subscribe and notification buttons down below so you know when I put out a new video. So until I see you again in my next adventure, this is Paul signing off.